The Solskydd Bluetooth speaker from IKEA is a stylish compact option that aims to blend into modern home decor while delivering clear room-filling sound and flexible placement on its stand or mounted on the wall, making it a smart pick if you want a speaker that looks good as it sounds for casual listening. Priced at $69.99 on IKEA's site with an average of 4.4 star rating from a small set of reviewers. It is positioned as an affordable lifestyle accessory rather than an audiophile component, and IKEA's generous 365-day policy, return policy plus IKEA Plus family points and a low price guarantee reduce the risk if it doesn't meet expectations. In practice, you'll get pleasant, rich playback for background music, podcasts, and everyday use, but don't expect deep bass, studio clarity, or advanced smart features found in higher end wireless speakers. So it's best for kitchens, bedrooms, and living rooms where aesthetics and convenience matter most than reference sound. If you value design, easy mounting, and a low risk trial, Solskid is worth considering. But audiophiles or users who need powerful low end and advanced connectivity should look higher up the price ladder.